I wrote this script on a family trip to North Carolina. Wifey boo like, I think you should get in the cipher. They rhyme live, but your style is live, and the way you drop, we're running out of diapers. Meanwhile, if I had a brick for every time a chick was being slick, I own a wall of China. On my plug me on Jahrastafari, man, that is what me own. Check out the BAMBA 365. I'm daily on my grindy. Keep a low pro, cause niggas is sometimey. Girlfriend that have a slimy. Doing it to eeny, meeny, and know she got babies by miney. And Polo Mo, need to know that the baby ain't choked. That's a no-no. Zulu is the tribe, not a logo. Just a parable, man, if you don't know.